Today I'm going to be working on a 2010 Mini Cooper S convertible. The truth. I'm going to be installing some wiper blades on it. Driver side is an 18, passenger side is a 19. In these pack of wiper blades, usually you find multiple little attachments. So you just have to look at the instructions and see which one you have. For this, we have this style right here. So we're going to go with attachment number 1, which is already on the blade. First thing you do want to do is go ahead and lift your blade up to get better access to it. Now with this style, I find it easiest if you turn your blade so it kind of makes a T shape. You're just going to push right here. I can do it with one hand. There it goes. Releases. You just slide your wiper blade right out. You can see how the hook just kind of, for focus, you're just going to hook onto there. So you're just going to do the reverse order. You're going to pop it loose, just going to bring it out and around. To get the little cap to release, you're just going to squeeze both sides right here, just going to push up. Now with this style, you're just going to open up this little top part, and then it's basically just going to slide on to here. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, but it'll slide onto there, and then I'll show you the next step. Once you get it clipped on there, just go ahead and close this, and lower your arm back down. And you can do the exact same thing to the driver's side as well. I hope this video helped. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comment section below and I'll answer them as soon as I can. Thank you.